Hi everyone, welcome back to iConta's YouTube classroom, and today's letter is I, me, myself. पर हाँ, it is I, मैं, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करो. So it's about I, right? ठीक है, so let's begin with the I words. There are very interesting, very good, nice words that we are going to learn today. All right, so great that we've finally come here. Last हमने H words किए थे. Yes, I literally got confused for a minute. Not a minute, a second. Yeah. Okay, I hope you all are doing well. And here we go. So we see कि हमारे सारे words infallible, incorrigible, indefatigable, innocuous, insipid, इन सब में in है, right? All the words have in. So in is basically, it's like it's not. Root word in का मतलब होता है not. And seeing the word जैसे कि पहला word है infallible, so failure is the root word जिसका मतलब होता है to make mistakes, to make mistakes or to err. So इसका मतलब infallible. So infallible in is like not, so incapable of making mistakes or being wrong. So this person is always reliable. Now think about your mother. Ouch. Okay, so I accidentally hit myself and it's bleeding now. Anyway, okay, so think about your mother. She's reliable, she does not make any mistake, she's not wrong. Think about God, right? So infallible is like that. So somebody who is incapable of making mistakes. Now other forms can be infallibility and infallibly, which is an adverb. Unerring, because err is like to make mistakes. Flawless, dependable, certain. Fallible, flawed and unreliable are the antonyms. Infallible in itself is an adjective. Many believe the scientist's method were infallible. There's no chance that he made a mistake, but later studies proved otherwise. Sad. All right, moving on. Incorrigible, so something that cannot be corrected, right? Unable to be corrected, reformed or improved, usually habits or behavior. So basically अगर हम corrigible की बात करें तो उसका मतलब ही to correct होता है, ठीक है? और जब हम उसके आगे in लगा देते हैं तो it becomes that something cannot be corrected, right? Not correct. So incorrigibility is a noun, incorrigibly is an adverb. और इसको incorrigible को हम ज़्यादातर किस में यूज़ करते हैं? Behavior में. Suppose somebody has a bad behavior, so that person is like beyond redemption. You cannot, make them behave in a proper way. So unreformable, hopeless, habitual, hardened are the synonyms. Antonyms are reformable, curable, improvable. He's an incorrigible prankster, so that's how he behaves. No matter how many times he's warned, he never stops. Then there's indefatigable. Indefatigable. So अगर हम indefatigable, so okay, in is like not plus fatigue. Sorry, it's G. So persisting tirelessly, showing sustained energy and determination. So this person, they're like not tired at all. They're like always energetic, right? Adjective है ना? सो आप किसी पर्सन के लिए ही यूज करोगे. अब डिफैटिगेबल को डिफ्लेट से मत जोड़ना. Deflate, because deflate is basically to become or make something smaller, like a balloon, by actually letting the air out. So अगर आप एक balloon को if you open it, so वो deflate हो जाता है, right? But this is not that deflate. This is different. This is like related to fatigue. Okay. Synonyms can be tireless, relentless, persistent, unwearied. Fatigued, weary, so weary and unweary, lethargic, exhausted are the antonyms. The activist indefatigable spirit inspired thousands to join the movement. Then there's innocuous. So innocuous is basically harmless. क्योंकि हमारा in is like not, and then there's innocuous, N-O-C-U-O-U-S, which means to harm. So innocuous हो गया somebody who's like harmless. Adjective है ना, so person के लिए ही use किया जाएगा. इसके अलावा if we say an innocuous remark is a remark that is like that's harmless, a comment that's harmless, right? Not likely to cause damage, offense or injury. Innocuousness, innocuously, harmless, safe, inoffensive and mild are the synonyms. Harmful, dangerous, offensive, damaging, ये हो गए हमारे antonyms. His comment seemed innocuous, but she found it surprisingly offensive. मतलब harmless था, but offensive हो गया एक इंसान के लिए. Now insipid. In is again it's not, and sipid is related to taste. ठीक है? So sapidus या sapes is like नहीं sapid or sap. Okay, S-A-P-I-D. Sapid or S-A-P-I-D-U. S is like related to taste. It's related to something very nice, very tasty, savory basically, है ना? तो in लग जाएगा तो not tasty. So lacking flavor, excitement or interest, something that's dull. So not only for the taste but for environment also you can use it. Bland, dull, tasteless and lifeless are the synonyms. Flavorful, exciting, lively, engaging are the antonyms. And these are the other forms. Insipidity, insipidly is the adverb. Now, insipid can be used for environment. It can be used for a taste of a dish. It can be used for a party. It can be used for let's say some activity, something कि बहुत dull था, you did not like it, so like that. ठीक है? And there are nouns and adverbs. The lecture was so insipid that half the students fell asleep. No, please don't fall asleep. Okay, then there are transigent, invidious, insuperable, inimical and incontrovertible. सब में in है, right? That means we are talking about something not happening, right? Something not. So intransigent. So intransigent is basically unwilling or refusing to change one's view. Transigent is basically someone, like transigent is when you can change. So intransigent basically is, it's extremely stubborn, and it's like stronger than stubborn, and it's more formal, right? So an an intransigent person is somebody who's like, either my way or no way. So it's like my way or take the highway. Do it my way, take the highway. or take the highway. So it's like that. Ekdam hi, it's like extremely stubborn, more stubborn than stubborn. So that's, and all of these words are adjective. You must have noticed कि ये सब adjectives है, आप किसी को describe करने के लिए use कर सकते हो these words. So these are all describing words. Good for conversations, good for you know, making a second person understand about the personality of third person, है ना. Other forms can be intransigence, intransigently, which is an adverb. Now, stubborn, uncompromising, obstinate and rigid are the synonyms. Obstinate कितनी बार आ गया ना हमारे vocab में, पूरे series में. See, antonyms can be flexible, yielding, compliant, conciliatory, submissive can also be one of the antonyms. Despite hours of negotiation, both sides remained intransigent. Then there's invidious. So invidious is basically something unfair, something offensive, likely to arouse resentment, envy or ill will, unfairly discriminatory. So basically unfair है, offensive है ना. But invidious और हमारा एक word आ सकता है envious. So envious basically is when you feel envy. So that's when you feel jealous, right? And invidious is basically causing jealousy, right? क्योंकि अगर resentment है, envy है, कोई unfair कुछ हो रहा है, partiality हो रही है, discrimination हो रहा है, तो उससे क्या होगा? jealousy होगी, right? So invidious is like, you know, causing jealousy. ठीक है? So there's a difference between envious and invidious. So it comes from a Latin invidia, which means jealousy. ठीक है? Synonyms can be offensive, unjust, discriminatory and resentful. Antonyms can be fair, just, flattering, complimentary. The manager's invidious remarks created tension among the employees, obviously. Okay, next. Insuperable. So impossible to overcome or defeat. For example, in superhero. इसे याद रखो. And a superhero is like, you know, impossible to overcome, impossible to defeat, right? So synonyms can be unconquerable, invincible, insurmountable, unbeatable. Surmountable, insurmountable. Surmountable is the antonym. That means somebody who can be defeated. Conquerable, manageable. At first the mountain looked like an insuperable challenge, but they eventually reached the summit. Alright, okay, so insuperable is basically, you know, something that's extremely difficult to overcome and extremely difficult, right? जैसे कि हमने इस sentence में देखा, at first the mountain looked insuperable, but eventually they did. So it looks difficult, but it is not impossible, right? Not impossible. Whereas impossible in itself is like something that cannot happen, right? There's no chance at all, like शून्य chance, है ना? So impossible और insuperable में एक difference है. Though impossible आता है इसमें, but this person is, you know, impossible to defeat, but बहुत ही you know, a person can be like that, but a challenge, if we talk about a challenge that looks insuperable, it can still be, you know, achieved. जैसे कि ये example. तो confusion ना हो, so you must know. Alright, then there's inimical. So inimical is basically hostile, harmful, unfriendly. ये कैसे आता है? आपको याद होगा A words में हमने पढ़ा था एक word amicus, which means a friend, right? So in is like not, and amicable like amicus, like friend. So somebody who's not a friend. So hostile can be, you know, somebody who's unfriendly. Somebody inimical can be, you know, a place can also be inimical, which means there can be a bad environment, right? Not just a person, but inimical can also be used for environment. Now, hostile, antagonistic, unfriendly, harmful. These are the synonyms. Friendly, favorable, amicable or amicable, supportive are the antonyms. Excessive stress is inimical to good health, right? So not just for a person because it's an adjective, but किसी और चीज़ को place, situation ये भी describe की जा सकती है. Then there's incontrovertible. So incontrovertible is something that's like 100% true, impossible to dispute or deny, absolutely certain. So that's something that's like, you know, it's like there's a solid proof for a certain thing. For example, sky is blue. That's incontrovertible. Sun rises from the east. That's incontrovertible. Nights are dark. That's incontrovertible. But yeah, nights are not always dark. If you go to Russia, so there's a certain time जब पूरा time सिर्फ और सिर्फ sunlight होती है. There's no अंधेरा. So there are certain parts in the world जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है, but in general, right? So something that cannot be, you know, said that it's untrue, right? You cannot make any controversy about it, right? It's like absolute truth. Incontrovertibly is the adverb. Undeniable, irrefutable, unquestionable, certain are the synonyms. Controversial, disputable, doubtful, questionable are the antonyms. The DNA evidence provided incontrovertible proof of his innocence. Now, there are 4 words which says interpolate, interminable, interloper and interlocutor. Now, inter basically means between, ठीक है? It means between. जैसे कि इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन होता है, सो अ कॉम्पिटिशन बिटवीन 2 schools. इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन या कुछ ऐसा होता है तो इट्स लाइक बिटवीन कंट्रीज, बिटवीन नेशंस, है ना? सो इंटर इज लाइक between. So interpolate, pole is like polate is like poles. So to insert something, often words, ideas or material into a text or conversation, sometimes implies an unnecessary or unauthorized addition. So interpolate is when you insert something between 2 poles, right? मतलब that can be a maybe a text, हो सकता है किसी conversation के बीच में आप कर रहे हो interpolate, you're adding some reviews, some ideas or something. It's like that. Then there's a word called extrapolate. Interpolate and extrapolate. Now interpolate is like, you know, एक data के basis पे you do it. Extrapolate is also data के basis पे, but कई बार it's like beyond, you know, you guess beyond any known data. That's extrapolate. So basically आप you predict something by, you know, projecting the past experiences and everything. That's extrapolate. So other forms can be interpolation. Interpolated can be adjective. Noun is interpolation. tion जहाँ भी आएगा वो noun ही होगा. Insert, interject, introduce, add are the synonyms. Remove, delete, omit and exclude are the antonyms. The editor decided to interpolate a few clarifying remarks into the speech transcript. मतलब he added. Now, interminable. In basically interminable. कुछ terminate कर सकते हो आप. That means you can end it, right? आप terminate का मतलब ही end होता है ना? So something that cannot be terminated, like it's like never ending, endless, often annoyingly, so never seeming to stop. Like for example a speech, let's say. ठीक है, so अभी हम समझ लेते हैं interminable because it's like it seems it will never stop, it's like never ending. Or infinite. So infinite is basically truly endless, right? Like there's no limit, जैसे कि the universe, जैसे कि pi, जैसे कि God, है ना? So these are all infinite. Interminable is like ऐसा लगता है हमें कि यार ये कब खत्म होगा, कि खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? It's like that. So it's like annoying, it's boring, it's you don't like it, it's a tedious thing, है ना? So that's interminable. It feels like it will never end, है ना? Like your relationship, that's interminable. Infinite भी हो सकता है, joking. Okay, बुरा मत मानना, हाँ? रोना नहीं. Alright. Interloper. A person who intrudes into a place, situation or activity where they do not belong. जैसे कि बिन बुलाए मेहमान शादी में. Recently, my sister got married, and yes, there were interlopers who just came without inviting, right? To have food. So basically, an uninvited intruder is an interloper. ठीक है? So there's a difference between interloper and there's a difference between okay, I'll write it here. Intruder. So interpolar is basically this person comes in and this person is being annoying, right? When I noticed a few people, I was like, okay, that's annoying for me because I knew that they were bachelors, right? It was annoying for me, but I knew that they were not harmful, whereas intruders are harmful, right? And these people are harmless. Yes, they are annoying. They, you know, bin bulaaye mehman hai to annoying hi honge. So these people are annoying, but they're like harmless. Okay, these people are unwanted and harmful. So interlope is the verb which is rarely used. Interloping is an adjective or participle. Synonyms can be intruder, trespassers. There's a contextual difference, okay? Meddler, outsider. Guest, insider. Member, participant are the antonyms. She felt like an interloper at the party since she barely knew anyone. So this person was there and nobody knows her. She's not talking to anybody. So these kind of people become annoying, right? Even if they're not doing anything, you just don't like it that everybody's enjoying and everything, but this one person, do they have an attitude problem? It's like that. Now interlocutor, देखो सबसे पहले एक बात समझ लो, LOC. Now LOC is basically, it's a root word for speech. जहाँ भी LOC देखोगे आप, जैसे कि if you remember circumloquacious, if you remember loquacious, so all of these are related to speech, right? So interlocutor is basically a person who takes part in a conversation, but inter being between, which means between, and then locutor, people who are like making the conversation. So it's like two people are having conversation, right? A person who takes part in a conversation or dialogue, sometimes an official spokesperson in a discussion, right? So interlocutor and speaker, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है. नाउ इंटरलोक्यूटर, जब इंटरलोक्यूटर है, if interlocutor thing is happening, so there are two people, there's a two-way conversation and both participate equally. But when it comes to a speaker, this person only talks, doesn't listen, whereas here they talk and they listen. So there are other people also involved in the conversation. ठीक है? So LOC is like related to speak basically. LOQUI is the root, जो कि हमने circumloquacious में भी देखी है, जो कि हमने loquacious में भी देखी है. ठीक है? So it's like related to speaking. Other forms can be interlocutory, which is an adjective, conversationalist, speaker, participant, respondent are the synonyms. Silent person, non-participant and mute are the antonyms. The interviewer was an engaging interlocutor, drawing thoughtful answers from the guests. Great, very nice. Alright, now there's impeccable, illicit, irrevocable, impertinent and irascible. So here, impeccable is like flawless, without fault or error. So basically this person cannot make sense, जैसे कि infallible में हमने देखा था. तो अभी ये जो सारे roots है, all of these, they are like, they have ill, they have im, they have ir. All of them mean not or opposite. All the roots. So im is like not, and then peccable से जो आता है, it is like to sin or mistake. ठीक है? Now this person is like you know, literally not capable of making mistakes, जैसे कि हमने infallible में देखा था. But there's a small difference when we talk about infallible. So this person, it's like someone who is not capable of making mistakes, but it actually focuses on never failing. Whereas impeccable, it actually is, this person also doesn't make mistake, but it's like focused on being flawless. It's like focused on being perfect. ठीक है? Here you don't want to fail, like a mother who doesn't, maybe she's not being flawless, she's not being a perfectionist, but she doesn't want to fail, right? Whereas impeccable, you just want to be flawless, right? No matter what. अभी idiomatically अगर हम इसको बोलेंगे तो हम इसमें बोल सकते हैं somebody who has an impeccable taste. Now this person has a perfect choice in style, in fashion, basically in everything. So if you say that somebody has an impeccable taste, that means their choice is great. ठीक है. Perfect, flawless, faultless, exemplary are the synonyms. जैसे कि exemplary, faultless ये सब infallible में हमारे synonyms नहीं थे. Sorry, I need to drink water. I'm not very well. Okay, so antonyms can be flawed, imperfect, and defective. Such tasty water. Sip it water. Okay, then moving on, there's illicit. So ill is like not, and licit is like legal. It's legal. Licit is legal. So that's something that is not legal. अब illicit होता है एक, और एक होता है illicit. Illicit. हाँ. So illicit is basically illegal, and illicit is basically, you know, to draw out information, to extract information. That's illicit. Draw out info. ठीक है? That's illicit. So there's a difference. Don't get confused. So forbidden by law, rules or custom, or being unlawful. So when you forbid law, that's when you're being illicit. When you basically when you are forbidding the laws. So illicitly is an adverb, illicitness is the noun. Illegal, unlawful, prohibited, forbidden are the synonyms. Not exact, but yeah. Legal, lawful, permitted, legitimate are the antonyms. The police discovered an illicit trade in rare animal skin. Oh, damn. Okay, irrevocable. Now, ir is again like not, and revocable is something that cannot be changed. Something जैसे कि यहाँ लिखा ही है. So something that cannot be, you know, taken back. That's irrevocable. आप उसको revoke नहीं कर सकते. You cannot cancel it, है ना? So that's irrevocable. Cannot be changed, reversed, or undone. Irrevocably, irrevocability are the noun. Irreversible, unaltered, permanent, final, reversible, altered, temporary, flexible. Now, see, there's irreversible, and there's irrevocable. Yeah. So irrevocable is basically used for decisions, for actions that cannot be taken back, that cannot be undone, right? That's irrevocable. Action के लिए, or you know, the words that you speak, or the decisions. हम बोल तो देते हैं, I take my words back, but that is not possible. So that's basically irrevocable. वो कहते हैं ना कि कमांड से छूटा हुआ तीर और मुख से निकले हुए शब्द कभी वापस नहीं आते. So that is irrevocable. Though we do say I take my words back, but that's not practically possible. So that's irrevocable, है ना? The action that you did. Now irreversible is used for basically used for process. Basically a process that can't be undone. For example, जैसे कि climate change, है ना? That was an entire process. पूरा एक process हुआ तब जाके climate change हुआ. Now it cannot be irreversed. हाँ, प्रिकॉशन लेके चेंज करके सब कुछ करके रिवर्सिबल हो जाता है। जैसे कि ब्लैक से आपके हेयर वाइट हो गए तो आप या तो वो इरिवर्सिबल होता है, बट क्योंकि वो एक प्रोसेस है तो उस प्रोसेस को रिवर्स भी किया जा सकता है। सो ये तो रिवर्सिबल और इरिवर्सिबल का डिफरेंस हो गया, ठीक है। सो इरिवर्सिबल आप प्रोसेसेस के लिए यूज करोगे और इरिवोकेबल आप यूज करोगे एक्शंस और डिसीजंस के लिए। द डिसीजंस टू एक्सपेल द स्टूडेंट वाज इरिवोकेबल, मतलब आप उसको कैसे चेंज करोगे, है ना। Alright, so there's impertinent, somebody who's rude, disrespectful, not showing proper manners. So older meaning was irrelevant or not related to the matter. तो क्योंकि pertinent का मतलब ही होता है pertain या फिर relate होता है इसका मतलब, तो obvious सी बात है कि अगर या appropriate होता है या proper होता है, तो समथिंग दैट्स नॉट प्रॉपर और अप्रोप्रिएट तो वो क्या होगा, डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल होगा। इट्स लाइक दैट। पहले मतलब ये था बट अभी उसका मतलब डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल और ये सब कर दिया गया है। इडियोमैटिकली यू कैन से एन इम्पर्टिनेंट रिमार्क, दैट्स बेसिकली अ डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल रिमार्क, राइट। उससे हमें समझ आता है। So impertinently, impertinence are the other forms. Rude, insolent, disrespectful, cheeky are the synonyms. Sorry. Antonyms can be polite, respectful, relevant, and courteous or courteous. The student's impertinent remark shocked the teacher. Never do that. I will throw you out of the class. Alright, here. Now, irascible, which is easily angered, having a short temper. So इसका irascible में जो है, इसमें जो हमारा iras की आता है, इसका मतलब ही होता है to grow angry, right? Because IRA, ira का मतलब होता है anger, ERA नहीं, IRA इसका मतलब होता है anger, ठीक है। So somebody who gets angry like very easily, so that's irascible. Irascibility, how the other forms, irritable, short-tempered, touchy, cranky are the synonyms. Calm, easygoing, patient, even-tempered. So okay, now क्या था, हाँ, irritable. So irritable और irascible में एक डिफरेंस होता है, वो होता है अगर कोई irascible है, so this person will be, you know, they will have this explosive anger, है ना, they might burst at you dramatically, that's irascible. Whereas irritable is like annoying, you know, something irritable है तो they have this annoyed mood, बहुत ही grumpy हो जाएंगे, right? But these people are not yelling. Irascible, they have short temper and they shout. Oh, my head. Okay. Huh. Okay. So IR, im, air, ill. Okay, so let me tell you one word. I really like this word, and it is, let me write it properly, intrinsic. So intrinsic is basically natural, right? अंदर से, it's like innate भी एक word है, nice, जो कि intrinsic का आप एक synonym मान लो। innate का मतलब basically है inborn, ठीक है। then there's intractable. So intractable is basically very hard to control, है ना, आप control नहीं कर सकते उसको, that's intractable. So write this is okay, I am telling the meaning, but these words are your homework. ठीक है. Then there's injunction. So injunction is basically it's an official order. That's injunction. ठीक है. एक बार injunction एक बार ढंग से गूगल कर लेना. Though this is a word, but official order है नहीं है, I'm not very sure, but एक बार इसको देख लेना. ठीक है. Then there can be invincible. Invincible आपको पता ही होगा, invincible शायद हमने किया भी है. Then there can be invincible अपन ने किया है. Interject. अच्छा, interject शायद किया है. Basically to interrupt, है ना? That's interject. Then there can be eye quanta. No. Yes, eye quanta is also a noun. Invective. Invective. I guess so. Or invective. Not sure about the spelling, but yeah, invective. So invective is basically when you insult or embarrass someone. That's invective. Ingratiate. Again, Google this one. Dormant में गया ना, dormant में गया, active में नहीं है. But ingratiate का is like when you butter up, हाँ, when you basically you're being servile to someone, क्योंकि you need advantage. There's some advantage you're looking for from this particular person, right? That's when you ingratiate. ठीक है. So there's intrinsic, there's innate, there's intractable, there's injunction check करना एक बार official order के लिए. Then there's interject to interrupt. Then there's invective. Then there's ingratiate. These words are your homework. ठीक है. अपने को ये सारे words पता होने चाहिए. If there's anything, any question that you have, any doubt, you can always tell me. Apart from this, I want you guys to learn all the words because very soon we'll be doing a quiz. ठीक है. So वो अपना ज़रूरी है. Most probably after J words we'll be doing a quiz. Okay, so one more word I remember. Inimitable. So imitable is basically जब आप किसी चीज़ को कॉपी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. इमिटेट करना मतलब आप किसी, अब आपने सुना होगा कि यू कैन इमिटेट दिस फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट या कुछ भी, लेट्स से. सो इमिटेट मतलब आप कॉपी कर लो. बट इनइमिटेबल मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो कॉपी ही की नहीं जा सकती, आप उसको कॉपी नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. दैट्स इनइमिटेबल. इमिटेबल से पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ये वर्ड याद आता है, मिटिगेट. आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा सिमिलर सा लग रहा है. मिटिगेट इज़ किसी भी सिचुएशन को, ख़राब सिचुएशन को थोड़ा सा कम करना, है ना, थोड़ा सा काम डाउन करना. दैट्स मिटिगेट. और भी कोई वर्ड्स अगर इन सारे वर्ड्स से रिलेटेड आपको याद आते हैं तो यू कैन ऑलवेज कमेंट डाउन. ठीक है. आई हैव अ हेडेक नाउ. I'll see you in the next class. Let's do wonders together. All right. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next class.